In the quiet waters of the Sunda Strait between the islands of Java and Sumatra lies a place where nature once unleashed one of the most powerful and cataclysmic forces. The eruption of Krakatoa not only obliterated most of the island itself, but also triggered a series of tsunamis, killing over 36,000 people and sending shockwaves around the globe. The aftermath of the explosion was felt far and wide. The global climate was altered and the skies were painted with vivid, fiery hues, inspiring terror, artistry, and existentialism around the world.